Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Emcure Pharma. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. These walk-in are conducted at 21st and 22nd September 2024 Saturday and Sunday for Jammu location, and it is Haridwar. And you can see walk-in for positions is production, packing, and designation is officer operator. And coming to the education and qualification, B Pharma, M Pharma, BSc, MSc, Diploma, ITI graduates apply to this position, and experience is 2 to 7 years of experience. And job description is exposure of handling and compliance of various compressions and coating and granulation machine equipment like GFA, code math, fatigue, course. And another position is quality assurance, quality control, microbiology and engineering department. And designation is executive officer, technician and operator. And graduation is B Pharma, M Pharma, BSc, MSc, ITI diploma graduates apply to this position, and experience is 2 to 7 years of experience. And job description is equipment validation qualification QMS, IPQA review of documents, line clearance, investigation, audit, trial report preparation, and exposure of water, HPLC dissolution, GC and other instruments with AMV, RM, PM, FE, product analysis, handling of QMS related activities, and exposure of various instrumentation software like Empower 3, LIMS and other softwares, and media preparation, MLT, BET, environment monitoring, investigation, QMS, culture management, and exposure of HT, LT panel, substation, DC set, and must be able to understand electrical drawings, SLD, and knowledge of VFD, PLC, HMI, AC, DC drive, servo meter and control, and knowledge of computer QMS, CGMP guidelines, and pharmaceutical experience in desirable, and HVAC operations and maintenance of HVAC pressure balancing and documentation, and knowledge of CGMP and computer desirable, and water system is operation, maintenance and troubleshooting of bore well, soft water, potable water, DM water, purified water, knowledge of CGMP and computer is desirable, and electrical instrument operations and maintenance of HT, LT, DG set, PCC panel, breakers and transformers, earthing, electrical circuits, pneumatic and control, knowledge of CGMP and computers desirable, and walk in with your updated CV and CTC proof. And venue is Hotel New Classic Heritage number 9 phase 3 Shivalik Nagar, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. If you have any query, please contact the HR and send resume to mention email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video for job updates.